Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in the puzzle page of today's newspaper on Saturday, Saturday, April the 29th, 2023, almost end of the month, and I've already solved three puzzles. The 2 stars Sudoku, it's indicated with 3 stars. We have here the killer Sudoku already solved. The binary already solved, and the last puzzle I will do is this one, Tectonic, number 6356 here, 56, and yeah, we have here 16 printed digits. 16 should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. No single boxes in this puzzle. Dual boxes then. Do we have here dual boxes? No dual boxes. Also, triple boxes then. We have here triple box contains the 1, the 2 and 3. 2 is already given, so those two boxes together should be the 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Well, it can't be a 4 anymore because we have a 4 in the same area. So this box should be a 5 then. Alright. Do we have more triple boxes? No, only one triple box. Then the next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here, quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, I cannot fill those numbers yet. Here also a quadra box. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. So the 1 and 2 and 3 are left. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember this the L shape mirrored, that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, the L shape. We have more L shapes here, another L shape rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 then. Alright, more L shapes, not only 2 L shapes. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, apologies, bumped the camera. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Alright. Okay, do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about the Z construction? Let me draw the Z construction here. Oh wait, this box has the same name as that box. Oh wait, here we have a Z construction. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box, has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Alright. So this box, this box has the same number as that box. Alright. But also, that box has the same number as this box. Alright. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, only one Z construction. Then the following shape, how about this shape here. Let me draw this shape here then. when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, more of these kind of shapes here. Another one, mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. Here, but it's already, this box has the same number as that box. It's already filled in before. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, maximum 6. But not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then this box can be 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. Then let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 5. This box can be 2. So 2 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 4. This box is connected with that box, so we have 2 and a 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 4, but also that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. Alright. Well, we have a 2 and a 5 here. This box can be 2. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 2. In this quarter box, 1 box left should be the 3 then. This box is connected with that box, so it's 1 and a 2. Okay. I need a 3 in this area. This box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Alright. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 4. We have a double 4 here. So that means that those 2 boxes together can be a 4. And that box can be a 4. So 2 numbers left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. Oh, we already have a 4 there. So no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be here then. Alright. Then. Let me think. Come on. This is taking too long. Yeah. This box can be 2, can be 5, can be 4. So 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 3 is connected with that box, which is 1 or 3. We need a 5 in this Z construction. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. So the 1 and the 3 are left here as a pair in this Z construction. 2, we need a 2 there, okay. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes together as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the 3 and the 2. 2 and 3, okay. Okay, these 3 boxes, so 1 and 5 can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. This box can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3, and this box is connected with that box, so we have also 3. We have a, oh wait, here. We have a double 2 here. That means that this box can be 2 anymore, so that box could be a 2, and this box could be a 2. Alright. These, well. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Interesting. Need a 1 here also. Need a 1. Well, this box can be a 1. Let me go up. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. We have a double 5 there. That means that this box can be 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box will be definitely a 2. Is connected with that box, will be also a 2. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 5. We have a 2 here. That means I've marked this box with 1 or a 2. We have a 2 now in the same area. So this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 2. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 1 and 3, we have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 and 3, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. 1 and 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 1. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and the 3 here. Okay, here also 2 and the 3, 2 and the 4. Come on. This box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. And this box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 1 goes there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. We have a double 2 there, so that means that this box can be 2 and more. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 should be here, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a double 5 there. That means that this box can be 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 and the 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 5, well, need to wait here. I think, wait. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 down, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Almost finished. This box can wait. These two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, 50 minutes. It's a 1 star. Not faster than 15 minutes. Well, maybe at 2 stars, but we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you tomorrow on Sunday with the Samurai Sudoku and the rest of these puzzles in the puzzle page. And maybe if I have the time, I will do also the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. Until then, bye-bye for now.